Hey there, soldier, what did you do? Just when the world was looking to you to write anything that meant anything, you told us you were through. And it's been years since you passed away, but I see no plague and I see no grave, and I can't help believing